In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Hostinger email account in Microsoft Outlook. This process will help you seamlessly manage your emails directly within Outlook, allowing you to harness the full power of the application while keeping all your communications in one place. Let's start by opening Microsoft Outlook. Once you have Outlook up and running, look towards the top of the screen to find the File tab. Click on it and a new menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Account Settings and then choose Add Account from the drop-down options. Here you'll be prompted to enter your Hostinger email address. Make sure you type it correctly, as this is essential for the proper configuration of your email account. After entering your email, it's time to decide on your preferred method for receiving emails. You can choose between IMAP or POP3. Both have their advantages. IMAP is ideal if you want to access your email from multiple devices, as it keeps everything synced across platforms. On the other hand, POP3 downloads your emails to your computer, which can be great if you prefer to keep everything centrally stored on one device. Once you've made your choice, you'll need to enter the server details. First, for incoming mail, you should input imap.hostinger.com if you're using IMAP, or pop.hostinger.com if you've chosen POP3. For outgoing mail, the server remains the same for both options, smtp.hostinger.com. These server details are critical for establishing a reliable connection between your Hostinger account and Outlook, so ensure they are entered precisely. Next, you're going to need your email password. This is the same password you use to log into your Hostinger email account. Type it in carefully to avoid any errors. After you've entered your password, double check all the information you've provided. It's always a good idea to review each detail to prevent any connectivity issues later on. Once everything is filled out and verified, proceed to finish setting up your email account. Outlook will start syncing your emails, which might take a few moments. This syncing process ensures that all your past and incoming emails will populate within Outlook, offering you a complete and updated view of your communications. That's it. You've now successfully set up your Hostinger email on Microsoft Outlook. From now on, you can enjoy the convenience of reading, responding to, and organizing your emails within this powerful application. Remember, having all your emails in one place not only boosts productivity, but also ensures you never miss an important message. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing!